Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in cancer treatment and research. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of oncology. Innovent Biologics has received a second Fast Track Designation from the FDA for IBI363, a PD-1/IL-2 alpha bias bispecific antibody fusion protein for squamous non-small cell lung cancer. At the World Conference on Lung Cancer, IBI363 demonstrated an objective response rate of 50% in the 3 mg per kilogram dose group and a disease control rate of 88.9%. Memorial Sloan Kettering's Dr. Vinod Balachandran has been named to the Washington Post's Next 50 list for his work on personalized mRNA vaccines for pancreatic cancer. His research demonstrated that these vaccines trigger strong immune responses, potentially delaying cancer recurrence. The European Commission has approved Merck's WELIREG, the first oral hypoxia-inducible factor II alpha inhibitor, for 2 indications: von Hippel-Lindau disease-associated tumors and advanced clear cell renal cell carcinoma. Approval was based on the LIGHTSPARK-004 and LIGHTSPARK-005 trials, where WELIREG showed a 49% objective response rate in VHL-associated renal cell carcinoma. Boehringer Ingelheim's Zongertinib has received priority review from the FDA for HER2-mutant non-small cell lung cancer. If approved, it will be the first oral HER2-specific tyrosine kinase inhibitor for previously treated patients. Phase 1 data from the BMION Lung-1 trial showed a 71% objective response rate, with strong progression-free survival results. The FDA decision is expected in Q3 2025. Radiance Biopharma has signed a $1.2 billion agreement with CSPC Pharmaceuticals' Megalith subsidiary for exclusive rights to CIS-6005, a ROR1 targeting antibody-drug conjugate. This candidate, developed using site-specific antibody conjugation technology, aims to compete with Merck's zilovertamab vedotin in hematologic tumors and solid cancers. Merck has partnered with Epitopia to develop immunotherapies based on cryptogen tumor-specific antigens, derived from previously overlooked non-coding regions of DNA. These broadly shared tumor targets could enable off-the-shelf cancer treatments. Epitopia may receive up to $300 million per product in milestone payments. The Porter trial, evaluating nivolumab-based immunotherapy combinations in metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer, found that the best responses occurred in Cohort B, which combined radiation therapy with CDX-301 and nivolumab, achieving a 33% composite response rate. Mabwell has published preclinical research on its alpha V beta-8 targeting antibody, which blocks TGF-beta signaling in immune-excluded tumors. When combined with PD-1 inhibitors, this approach significantly improved anti-tumor activity, highlighting a potential new immunotherapy strategy. A study on PIM kinase inhibition in prostate cancer shows that blocking PIM in tumor-associated macrophages suppresses inflammasome activation and enhances the effectiveness of checkpoint inhibitors by increasing cytotoxic T cell activity. Prostate cancer research has received a £496,000 grant from the National Lottery Community Fund to support the InfoPool, a patient information platform. The InfoPool has reached over 200,000 users, with 93% of patients and 98% of healthcare professionals recommending it. Roche has introduced sequencing by expansion technology, a next-generation sequencing approach that reduces the time from sample to genome from days to hours. This innovation could accelerate genomic research and clinical applications in oncology and beyond. Bristol-Myers Squibb's CheckMate 816 trial confirmed a statistically significant survival benefit for Opdivo combined with chemotherapy as a neoadjuvant treatment for resectable non-small cell lung cancer. The study showed improved event-free survival and pathological complete response compared to chemotherapy alone. Want to stay ahead of the latest oncology research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to Lucid Quest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.